Transient response of RC circuit using Laplace transform. Consider a RC circuit. You have a source, DC source V, switch R, C. Here Q naught is the initial charge on the capacitor. With a switch SW closed, the circuit equation is going to be, of course, by Kirchhoff's voltage law, VU of t equal to RI of t plus 1 by C integral I of t dt. So when the switch S is closed, the current flowing through the circuit is I of t. Here U of t is the unit step function. Now this is equation number 1. We take Laplace transformation for this equation number 1. For unit step function, it is 1 by S and I of t is I of S. So you get V by S equal to R into I of S plus 1 by C into I of S divided by S plus I naught divided by S, where this I naught is going to be the initial current. I naught is the initial current. I naught equal to integral minus infinity to 0 I dt, which is nothing but initial charge across the capacitor Q naught. We can call this equation number 3. Now substitute this equation 3 in equation number 2. So you can write equation number 2 like this: V by S equal to R into I of S plus 1 by C I of S divided by S plus Q naught by S. V by S equal to R into I of S, just to multiply inside, plus 1 by C I of S divided by S plus Q naught divided by CS. Now this term you take it to the left hand side. So you get V by S equal to Q naught divided by CS equal to R I of S plus 1 by C I of S divided by S. So this I of S and this I of S you take it outside. So we get V divided by S minus Q naught by CS equal to I of S into R plus 1 by CS. So next we have one by S into V minus Q naught by C, you take S outside, equal to I of S 1 plus C by 1 divided by CS. So this term you can bring it downstairs. So you can write I of S equal to V minus Q naught by C divided by S into R plus 1 by CS. I of S, now we will take R from inside, from this bracketed term. I of S equal to V minus Q naught by C, we take R outside. R is into 1 plus 1 by RCS. Okay. Next what we can do is you take this S inside the bracket. Next step. I of S equal to V minus Q naught divided by C divided by R into S plus S by RCS. So this S and S getting cancelled. So we get the next term is going to be I of S equal to 1 by R into V minus Q naught divided by C multiplied by 1 divided by S plus 1 by RC. So you can multiply by this R inside this bracketed term. I of S equal to V by R minus Q naught by RC multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus S plus 1 by RC. So this equation, you apply the inverse Laplace transform. So this term is nothing but 1 by S plus alpha. It is going to be inverse Laplace transform, e power minus alpha t. We have already seen. Same formula applies here. Through inverse Laplace transform, I of t equal to this as it is, V by R minus Q naught divided by RC. This term is going to be e power minus 1 by RC into t. So that is nothing but I of t equal to V by R minus Q naught by RC multiplied by e power minus t by RC. So now we shall do one problem, a simple problem using this RC transient. A capacitor of 5 microfarad being charged initially to 10 volts to a resistance of 10 kilo ohm and is allowed to discharge through it by switching off a switch K. Find the expression of discharging current. So this is the problem. So we have a resistor in series with a capacitor C and K is the switch. The initial voltage across the capacitor is 10 volt. Now I include all the details. R equal to 10 ohm, C is 5 microfarad, initial voltage is 10 volts. Now when we close the switch K, so when switch K is closed, what will happen? Current will flow like this. So the capacitor was initially charged to a voltage level of 10 volt. So when you close the circuit by closing this switch K, it will discharge in this manner. So this current I of t in this case, it is called a discharging current. It is called a discharging current. So we write the circuit equation by applying the Kirchhoff's voltage law. Here no source is there. So the voltage across this plus voltage across this will equal to 0. So you can write, by KVL 0 equal to R into I of t plus, this is the voltage across the capacitor, 1 by C integral I of t dt. This you call equation number 1. So you take Laplace transformation for this equation 1, you get 0 equal to R I of S plus 1 by C into I of S divided by S plus Q naught by S. 0 equal to R I of S, just multiply this, I of S divided by Cs plus Q naught divided by Cs. This Q naught you take it to the left hand side. So it will become minus Q naught by Cs equal to R I of S plus I of S divided by Cs. Now on this right hand side, I of S is common. You can take it outside. Minus Q naught divided by Cs equal to I of S into R plus 1 by Cs. So the next step, it is going to be I of S equal to minus Q naught by Cs divided by R plus 1 by Cs. That right hand side term you bring it down. R plus 1 divided by Cs. Now what we can write is IFS equal to minus Q naught divided by Cs. This R you take from these two terms. So if you take R outside, you get 1 plus 1 by RCS. Next you take this S inside. So IFS equal to minus Q naught divided by CR multiplied by S plus S by RCS. So this S getting cancelled. IFS equal to minus Q naught divided by C multiplied by 1 divided by R into S plus 1 by RC. Okay. So this Q naught by C is nothing but the voltage across the capacitor. That is by the basic definition. So what we can do is we can write we can apply 10 volts instead of Q naught by C. So as Q naught by C equal to 10 volt, your expression will become IFS equal to minus 10 divided by R into S plus 1 by RC. IFS equal to minus 10 by R multiplied by 1 divided by 1 plus, IFS equal to minus 10 divided by R multiplied by 1 divided by S plus 1 by RC. 1 by RC. Okay. Now you take inverse Laplace transform. IFS equal to 10 divided by R. So this is 1 divided by S plus alpha. Same formula applies. So it is going to be e power minus 1 by RC t. Now you substitute for the values of R equal to 10 kilo ohm. You write it as 10 into 10 power 3 ohm. C equals 5 microfarad, which you can write 5 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So you actually, this should be, after inverse transform, this should be I of t. Okay. So I of t equal to minus 10 by R e power minus 1 by RC t. So substitute for R and C. So I of t equal to minus 10 divided by 10 into 10 power 3 multiplied by e power minus t divided by R is 10 into 10 power 3. C is 5 into 10 power minus 6. So if you simplify this, you get I of t equal to minus 10 power 3 minus 10 power 3 multiplied by e power minus 20t ampere. So this is this entire thing. This is the expression for the discharging current with respect to this problem.